So I speak a lot to these folks because I live, I'm taking this table around the state and I seek to establish chapters of the organization around the state.
I'm in no hurry. Take your time.
About 9, it's deeper red stuff, so it's easier to just here's your sandwich, and they wolf it down. They don't even. Whereas this one, we'll give her a peanut butter sandwich with like Benadryl in it because she gets real bad allergies, and she will eat around Benadryl sometimes.
She's like, oh, I feel it now. Let me just. Yeah, they know. Yeah, we do. Yeah, no, she needs one. She needs one. And I'm surprised though. Like,
I'll eat.
Okay, thank you, Johnny.
No worries.
how long are you not done yet? So cute.
Saturday morning.
I feel like I can only play like the. I felt like you're in the hospital. But I'm not sick.
I love your work so much.
You're okay otherwise?
They do ship worldwide too, so whatever you want. They make for pretty cool gifts, in my opinion. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Doing good. If you look close, all these drawings are made out of words. That's the whole idea.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was nice talking to you.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you.
I was wondering, what do you got going on here? Another lady with the talk?
I'll thank my lucky stars all that night.
I noticed that. I was walking down here.
How are we doing?
Good.
Take care. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thanks for the story.
Oh, the back part was good. Or I mean like a Savannah. Oh, yeah, that's so nice. Yeah. That is real.
Checkers. That's checkers. Mama, that ball playing checkers.
I just kept walking, and then I turned around and I was like, oh my god, I'm lost.
So the artist in labor.
I have no idea.
Oh, wow, nice thread collection.
Really? I did like what? They're making a comeback.
You know, guys, we should set up a day.
Good morning, y'all. Feel free to pick anything up, take a closer look, and my name's Seth if you have any questions.
She like, she can't sleep, she just throws it all over the bed.
Oh, wow.
Where am I at?
You're 35.
Does she like exfoliation?
That's what I was
I can do 15 on that if you want to get a scrub.
Okay.
Instead of 18.
Yeah, let's get the...
I'm out filming this now. Your last video got a lot of views though.
Did it?
Yeah.
Did you tag it?
What's that?
Did you tag it? I gotta find it.
Yeah, I do you as a short.
Okay. Okay.
So, but yeah.
I'll go see if I can find it.
I put Encore on there.
Okay.
So just you can search it that way. But you'll probably, I mean, you'll notice it. You'll see yourself.
Yeah, I guess
So,
it'll be hard to miss that,
just,
right?
Just look for it. And this one, I'll put the date on it. I'll call it, Arts and Craft Market Day or something like that.
Yeah. That
But,
works.
Yeah.
That works.
Yeah, but it's a good sign. You're popular, so keep it up, man.
I don't intend on quitting anytime soon.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lot better than Houston. Yeah. A lot prettier, that's for sure.
So you moved so good?
Yeah, we're in a cool little house a few blocks away.
Oh.
I paid attention when she started playing.
Whoa, whoa.
It was 8:45
Just looking, I'm shopping.
And she really wanted one of these bracelets.